everyone, and welcome to another exciting episode of Clickbait, a brand new show on cybersecurity brought to you by IT Voice. I'm your host Avishka Thadani, presenting the show to keep you informed about the latest threats and trends in cybersecurity, helping you stay secure online. So buckle up, get curious, and let's clickbait together the same. Indian reports highlighted that 1.59 million cybersecurity incidents in 2023, up from 3,94,499 in 2019, highlighting the growing cyber threats. The government has implemented several measures, including appointing the CISOs, enhancing critical infrastructure protection, and launching initiatives like the Cyber Swachhata Kendra. CERT-In regularly provides advisories and guidelines and mock drills to bolster cybersecurity readiness across various sectors of the country. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella recently discussed AI and cybersecurity with US President-elect Donald Trump and Elon Musk. Microsoft plans to invest $80 billion in AI data centers globally, with over $50 billion in the US, creating numerous jobs. Nadella and Microsoft President Brad Smith urged the administration to support AI advancement with minimal regulatory barriers and pragmatic report controls. Maharashtra's government announced its first cybersecurity policy 2025 under its 100-day action plan to safeguard the state's rupees 6 lakh crore digital economy. The policy aims to protect government services, foster cybersecurity innovation, and mitigate increasing cyber crimes. Aligned with national strategies, it focuses on skill development, research, and collaboration among government, academia, industry, and to create a secure digital ecosystem. TSC Security founder Trishneet Arora has urged the Indian government to allocate rupees 500 crore over 3 years in the upcoming union budget to enhance cybersecurity education and awareness. He emphasized creating a secure and innovative cyber ecosystem to protect India's digital economy and position the nation as a global cybersecurity leader. Arora proposed collaboration with IITs, NITs, and specialized centers to produce skilled cybersecurity professionals. He also highlighted the importance of partnership with global organizations like NATO, CCDCOE, and Interpol to access cutting-edge technologies and threat intelligence, helping India stay ahead of cyber threats. Punjab National Bank initiated its first cybersecurity hackathon, Code Against Malware, to address rising cyber threats, including attacks on healthcare and supply chain. Meanwhile, Kaspersky introduced courses on phishing, healthcare security, and supply chain attacks through its automated security awareness program. These efforts aim to enhance cybersecurity skills and resilience in critical industry amid growing digital risks. Thanks for joining us on Clickbait. We have covered some critical cybersecurity news today. What are your thoughts on these developments? Share your insights and questions in the comments below. Let's build a strong cybersecurity community together. Like and share to our channel if you've enjoyed this video. See you next time.